All right, let's start over. So, hey everyone, I'm Katie, founder and CEO of Simplified. So, let me give you a quick overview of what we do and what I'm going to talk today. Simplified is one app to create, collaborate, and scale your content. It's a creative suite that where you can use in your marketing stack to generate anything using AI. You can use text to image, AI ads, AI carousel makers, presentations, memes, thumbnail makers, and social media codes. But I'm not here to talk about design stuff today. Let's talk about video, the most interesting thing that's happening in 2024. How many of you, raise your hand, how many of you already watch like 3, 4 reels in the morning? We are consuming more content than ever. From morning till the end of the day, we are just consuming content. We are watching videos. First time when we wake up, we just go to the bathroom and start watching some videos. Then we go to office or on our way to commute, we watch videos. And when we are back, probably before the bedtime, we watch videos. Just the medium and format changes. It's a Cambrian explosion of content creation and content consumption happening in the world right now. Just to put some numbers, content fuels the global economy right now. Over past 3 years, which we have seen unprecedented events in the world, we have seen this pandemic, and we've been forced to stay home where we've been, again, consuming content. 165 million plus new creators joined these different platforms and started creating content. 92% marketers, when we did the survey, they've been saying video is an important part of their marketing strategy. And 90 million plus small businesses joined on social media in past 3 years. But where is the problem? Like everybody wants to create content, and your consumers are consuming this content faster than ever. But traditionally, video editing is hard. We have changed the video formats, but video editing softwares did not evolve over the period of the time. We still need to go through those complex timelines, find the stock footages, musics, videos, put them together, go back and forth, generate 20 different variations to create that simple reel. It's not completely wrong if we say it takes a village to create that reel. And there is no guarantee that it might go viral, it may not go viral. So if everybody wants to create content and everyone wants to create the content, then why we are not creating content? Because your software stack sucks. And that's where we are embarked on this journey of simplifying this process. How can we simplify video? So earlier this year, over past 2 years, we've been building video stack, and we have launched the simplest video editor that anybody can clone the template and get started. But then earlier this year, we have seen so many creators on our platform came back and said, we've been following Gary Vee, Alex Armoji, or other famous creators. We want to add fancy captions to our videos. So we launched AI captions. But now we've been thinking like, what's next? Where exactly the video needs to go? And one thing marketers told us, hey, we've been sitting these webinars, we've been sitting these Zoom recordings from past 2 years in our Google Drive, in other places. What can we do about those? You're still asking us to do those clipping, and we are spending so much time. And today, I am so excited to introduce Simplified AI Clips. This is a magical product. It's almost like having AI Copilot that does the content repurposing for you, where you can bring those long Zoom recordings, webinar, podcast, anything that is long, boring, and takes long time to edit on this platform, drag and drop your file or upload directly from your phone, and AI analyzes the most interesting moments from your long videos. It almost like having that really super intelligent voice creator, super intelligent like or the seasoned video editor marketer sitting next to you, listening to your entire podcast or Zoom recordings and finding the compelling highlights. And it just not only compiles, but then clips it automatically into all these different formats. Square for Instagram videos, reels, landscape, as well as portraits. You can even define like, I want 1 minute, 3 minutes, 5 minutes. Then it scores your content based on your historical data. It also tells you how likely this content is going to resonate with your audience. It scores your content and tells you like, hey, likelihood of this content that will resonate with your audience will be 93, 94. So suddenly now you're that long 1 hour video, you have like 30 plus clips and AI is telling you which one resonates better. It saves you so much time. Then we've been recording, we never record, we don't do these podcasts or webinars, Zoom recordings for repurposing. What AI does here is it adjusts the camera angles, it auto crops your landscape videos and makes it reel ready. It's all done by AI. Now, there are some awkward pauses, there are some silences, which nobody wants when you're scrolling that TikTok. You want it's like on the beat really fast. And in this product, AI Magic Cut automatically removes those ums and ah or like silences. So that way your content is like upbeat and ready to go. B-rolls. Because all of us want to outshine everybody on the social media. Our content needs to look fresh. So you can, like the way you edit documents, you can add B-rolls to your videos instantaneously on the platform itself. And why create videos in just one language when AI can translate that into 28 plus languages instantaneously? So that way you don't need to just restrict yourself in one part of the world when you can go live and viral in the entire world. That's how TikTok algorithms are operating. But now, many of you might be thinking, okay, yeah, those podcasters, they have really professional cameras or probably really expensive mics. And my video camera is not probably my Mac camera, or probably I don't have that really special audio instrument that removes the silences or removes the background noise. Worry no more, because this technology works well with Zoom recording. And I highly encourage all of you to just go to simplified.com. It's free. Upload your any past recording, any Zoom recording, and AI does magic on it. This Copilot automatically finds the interesting moments, puts speakers together, and you can define how you want. You can control the narrative. It automatically removes the silences. It automatically enhances my audio or up level or up sample my videos. And most important, no video editing experience required. You can just go, drag and drop, and you're done. Within half an hour, weeks of work can be done in like 30 minutes. All your clips will be ready to just reshare. So all those videos which are sitting in your Google Drive, Dropbox, or on your phone, it's time to just remove the dust on them and put them to use. So that way you can gain some followers and increase that brand awareness. But then someone will come back and say, okay, what about my brand? Because I have certain logo that I want to make sure that my audience see continuously. I would like to use certain brand caption style. We have you covered. So Simplified, all you need to do is come in and set up your brand kit. What it does, it basically makes sure that you're always on brand. So all you need to do is come once, tell AI, because AI still hallucinates. Let's accept the fact. So we want to make sure that AI doesn't go off the road. So that's where you can come in, tell AI which words to use, which words to exclude, set up the color theme, as well as tell AI what is the caption style. And next time when you create these videos, all you need to drag and drop, select that style, and hit generate. And as soon as you do it, wait for like 15 to 30 minutes, and you will have like 15 to 20 clips just ready to go. So put all your, and this is all available on simplified.com. We have a booth backstage. It's already been in use. Millions of people use it. Millions of creators are currently using it. So go repurpose your content. So there is no excuse for you now to not create content and not put your Zoom recordings, your podcast, webinars to use. Everything you need is simplified. I hope your life is now simplified, and I'm looking forward to see a lot more clip and AI clips and other stuff from you guys. Thank you. And if you have any questions, we have demo at the back of the stage there. So looking forward to seeing you. If you have any questions, happy to answer those as well.